How to easily teach your dog to come when called.
Scott, come.
Now, the command of recall, or come when called, is very important for dog owners, especially if your dog ever gets away or gets off the leash. I start by throwing a little kibble
Scott, go get
away from me to get the dog to leave, go as far away across the room as possible, and then when he gets it, I say come, and when he comes back, I reward him, give him another piece of kibble, and give him a lot of praise. Repetition here is the key. This is not a simple trick. It's learned over a lot of repetition and time. You want to throw the kibble, get him to go away from you, say the word come, and when he comes back, give him a lot of praise. Of course, give him the reward of the kibble or treat, and always let him know that he's done a good job by saying yes. Or if you had a clicker, you could use the clicker.
Scott, come.
Now this will also progress into learning how to fetch. So you don't have to use kibble. You can lure the dog away from you with a toy or a ball. And then once he knows the basic command, you want to do it in an enclosed environment. If you don't have a fenced-in yard, you could also use a very long leash. Just wait till the dog gets to the extent of the leash, call him, and if and when he comes back, a lot of praise, say the word yes, and give him the treat.
Yes.
Different environments work well. This is my granddaughter. I forgot to tell her to let go when I called come.
Kira, you okay?
So even though the dog performed nicely, she was not very pleased with me.
Come.
Different environments also help the dog to learn. So I repeated this daytime, nighttime, in the snow, etc. Anyway, repetition is the key. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. By all means, check us out on the web. Thank you for watching.